with confidence worldwide using Apple Pay, the Remitly app.
Actigri che compresse può alleviare fino a 8 sintomi dell'influenza. Actigri e puoi tornare attivo. Oh yes. Go là.
Every little say, baby, if I can go, my amigo, you're my jana. We may not hear you go. He back boon and red dog out your go. Come on, buddy. Yeah, you buy your get. Papa, guys, put up on your screen, let's go there. Yes, they are not go live today. We will do live this daybreak. God punish devil. Bloggers, maybe on radio when they cut video. Look at us over there, baby. Yes, sir, me how you are. Yes, sir, my father. Yes, sir, me water. Yes, sir, me was song. Every night, only shot. But say you. Yeah, drop this one with my niggas there. One drop, one latest music with a trend now for social media, you know. But the number one, the champion. Oh yes, Alpha. Okay. They want you to collect their small team. You understand? They want to collect their small team based on Harvard's level. May they collect their small team now. You understand? May I drop this one for my niggas there? May they still collect small team. May they take buy ticket come Europe. Yeah. Now our senior bros play this musical. After many years, no blow. They want to use senior men for Europe to blow. Senior men. Odogun the Europeans. Don't play the Jandos for Europe. The only way they use the name they see for Europe will blow. Oh. The Odogu of Europe, World Update and Umenwan. The two Odogu. When they go use their name sing, women go the dreads. They go to twerk the music. Hey go. See level the smell. Level the smell. Hey we. And no game matter. Nobody uses sing when they do it for TikTok. When they trend. Oh hey, what of this? What of this? See ya. Hear them. We made a duet. This is easy. Before they go to the go spend money, sing song, bro. Spend money, go studio. They don't only do audio, they do video. Bro, they do video. My way only audio. How you video? They're gonna power tapi, gonna give us clap. What be rosy yo? Now what go say man? Europe to stop. Now movements. Now standard movements. Don't put one you collect. First come, first collect. Europe tour must stop. Any bloody idiot musician will step on you to post the poster, you go collect. More Mozuo, the CEO of Mozuo, Odogu Malay, no go point. The word of Mozuo, Meno. That name, I also go trademark him. No one that Mozuo, apart from me. The word of Mozuo, of one and only, the wash again. The word and one only Mumu updates and word updates. Oh, whatever a musician in sing one. As is a world champion. Just the play. Put body. This set you know, the boy of Papa way. Put body. Put body. Say you get passport. You want back this shop. Put body. You know that place. And you go know say who sit down with a B2 stand. And this Europe negotiation was soon. Well, yeah, I study my Epa. It take call the family event and video call mamu. We just did 247. AG, give me music. AG Simili, me woman. Yeah, follow. You know, today is Saturday. No, the true art, no, the major Lavian, my way video. I'll do my investigation, start steady. This week, you go all run up everybody. We all misbehave, we all collect ta. And when they mission, when I get when I the park well, when I coordinate myself, I'm the shoot bed. But for here, Laro, everybody you work with. Through last year, when I were in here. Non, il y a d'autres. Et moi, ma mère a pris. Il y a un bois. On va faire vidéo. Today. Encore, on va bien le. Il y a un twerk qui fait. Il est mon père. On est comme un twerk for me. Twerk for your husband. Just the bed. This twerk for your husband. Il y a quoi pour y quoi? Na my money. Why you pay blood pressure about Kausa? Wow, we want more. Me, I go pay payment for this you. No, they fuck for free. Why you pay blood price? Remember, I'm going to know hell. God bless you. Blood price no sweet too. Blood price sweet too. Don't be joking. You get rats. I'm going to talk about my rats too. Give me a blue a sock. No my rats. I'm man. Yes now. Oh, I know my home. Mommy, what's up? Lord, oh, dear man. Anything you do. Oh. I don't know why some people they get hatred for their wife. As soon as sweet breast can sweet. You never the soft breast, your ear go stand like open up. Oh, people don't be loud. My lovely wife. By the sea like this, go back to the sweets. I will jump from this upstairs and go down. I will start Calabinary and police for your case. You're good. I'll still go prison for your case. Don't be loud. I will start Calabinary with my Bible. You sure? You sure? No, but I talk. Sure, say you feel do it. No go to the police. Signora, per favore. Piano, piano. Share this video. My sweetheart. Emi ameri ame obo. Oh, I thought for national peace to reign. Susu. Running no one will. Gloriosa, when you are too. And I'm your good on you. Please like this video. Click on the like button as you watch this podcast. You will watch me. No matter click the like button. No matter subscribe. No matter follow. You go there FYP, you go to listen to my voice. You need to follow with the hard to. And man will die again. You don't like me. You don't feel click like. You don't feel like why they watch me no bear back more? No go bear back where? Are you a monitoring spirit? Those of you who are there for IP, you are monitoring spirits. Those of you who are there for FYP, oh, are you so for national peace to reign? Oh, go back here soon, and go. Do I hear bell more yet? Oh, yes, that is a monitor, man. Oh, the way followers know him. Oh, master click here, follow. Oh, I know him, no bear back bone. If I bought your love, me, 2 years soon for national peace to reign your go. Who know what for FYP? Who are bell? I can 100 or something for the wash. 300 go for FYP. Who are bell? Wapia woo. Ogumbarak boy. Babola agree for national peace to reign. We are be worried. Ima fosi we nu dogene. Ima fosi we sister. Woman aleko menwa ko sister. Jowa we ya. Jowa we ya. Ima fosi we nu dogene nya sabe na. We must set this subscribe. We must set it follow. We want you again. Monitoring spirit. Sister, oh, go. Do we have a walk? Do we have some go? We are doing I'm not go back where I was saying. When on red, when I carry never read a talk. You was your FYP or Agbo. A sister nor FYP. Yeah, is there one? I was the FYP. Is there one? Is there one? I brother FYP. Who set it click? Who set it follow? So, man, why don't any time like Belwagbo? I mean, you tell me you are not you who go by boy. New York FYP. Sister, brother, pack your load and go. Umala Umenwan, where are you with Ma? Who are FYP? What are you look? Belwagbo, who will be going to go back boy? Who by what? Ah, what pay you are? I'm okay here. Oh, you are you? Who are you? Who are you? What am I going to do? No, come on, okay? Oh, go back, who are soon? No, be lie. You see all those people they do for FYP. They don't like your video. They don't follow you. They will just hawk on them. They're going to put the script record. Especially your bloggers. Especially your bloggers in you one in Waru see FYP. Yeah, so the screen record. We okay with video for you the way you live video. They can never click and like or give you views. They are always a monitoring spirit. O Gombarabua. O Asu. O Guansova Guarava. Wah, man will not reply. Ne click, ne follow, ne like. No, I reckon I'm down in your ragbuanya. Nyeno ga gbo we, nyeno ga gbo afun, nyeno ga gbo afun. Wa wonu je sene e bon sene bi yekena, e bi ko ga gbo. O wa sun we ne bro wa. O ga e ma la ko menwa. No need of you watching. Tinu wa so mo ngo wa gbera. E ma gbe be na ti onu gbe wa gbon. You we bi e ko mi bo fe kun amere, fe kun dan, fe kun wa bo, fe kun galile we. When you ref with me, you guys are monitoring spirits. Why am I not blog video? Oh yeah, moko. No Google. Do you know the funniest part? I got to understand one thing. I just see my video for some bloggers. These same bloggers, I've never seen them joint one day. Or just they pass by, say, evil show say, this one they view. Bend they blog my video. Well, second narrow again. There be yag be one of Shegenisho for there. When Ogunu here boy, or in a cohono, or go baby go Usuki. Elegumas of your call. Elegumas of okay call, okay call from your call you do what bell. I why. I don't want me even if someone like a ubira. Do my like a bira. To tado a down yo in your clean hell. Double hungry for streets with Germany. Or who we waste no. If you didn't know when you have a coat, what bell, only no gag boy. Only where's go to that boy. Where's going on? We are no gag boy. Where's going on boy or gag boy? It's going on neck way all for streets with Germany. A single man neck bully or a for street when the left weapon of there is going on for street or for street. See, governor being a 5 children, 5 fathers, or how down. A single father, no, who frustrates his stress station, or young when no left 5 years. A frustrated, a bitter soul of a single father, or I love you. No sense. A single father never bow, or bien. No sense. I'm very beside you, or you are they always getting to they will wash you, they will keep mute, they not go like, they will wag kush. Benny I will not support anything that is bad. A lot of people like to praise Kumoda. Only no get weird, only because of stomach infrastructure. You get Gualo. I stand with single mother. I stand with single mother. You single mother is a curse. Single mother being a single mother is a curse. Or let's say now the man buy as a widow. Single mother is different from being a widow. Single mother way man frustrates is quite different from the one that choose to be a single mother. If man frustrates you as a single mother, you're not part of these people I'm talking about. You see those condemned women who have no respect, who have no character, who decide any little thing they go boom man, they go pursue man for her because they believe the government they pay the child benefits. You see, cause if about here like me for national peace to reign. It's a disease. All of them, they praise, they worship that little mocking out there. Who is mocking you people, you both don't know. I see how I don't know how Benin women really stay stupid. Do you know this issue of single mother make me know how stupid some stupid women in abroad, stark illiterate women in abroad can do? Bro. Baba na kono say equipment is very boyan zo agbe. E no get winner akbobo no we stand for single mother or kan agberowa. Some women they stupid. Jesus. I play one video for her. you will know that some women are really stupid. I'm shocked. Share this video. Play one. I want to play one. Yeah, video for them. May you see the rate of stupidity of our women. Share the video, guys. I'll go off that speaker before I play this video. Because this will go long. I greet you specially, Water of Wegbe. Wada me honeymoon. Even Emma. I don't know bag. No rang. Every social media. You go get something. On that person go to endorse that thing. Out of hatred. Would you know the funniest part? They know the truth. They can never tell you the truth. All right. Let's listen to this video. Many of our single mothers are there. I'm not sit down carefully. I'm not point yes this video. I got like 2 videos to play for now. One can play about. This particular one I play for a no-gi. Maybe many of them don't forget to yourself. Because when all this situation that is something go happen to you, go quickly forget. Go move on. But many of us will get sense, we know they move on. We keep up for mind, for brain. In case if you repeat a second time, we'll go remind you now. So let me remind you guys of the issue that happened between Enogi and his wife. We still call him his wife indeed, not single mother. And it's agitated for single mother. Stupid, you know what be stupid or not, you idiots. Wow. When I listen.
Never loved me. Now me love you before. That's why, yes, now me beg for your hand in marriage. Say, come, bro, may I go marry you. So women do they beg their husband. Say, yeah, but in your case, now move you your way. We now go back home. No enter us. Don't let anybody advise you say stop, because now you drag my matter to media. And anything where I want to pass to you now through media, I give you the message, because well, now you say you get off Epa. That Sunday afternoon when you reverse, you say you want to go live. I see your anger. I remove you from admin, from all my page. Me for nothing going live you, yet you still went on TikTok and spend 5 hours. Wait, this is man, our marriage are just more than 2 weeks. So a lot of them they tell me say no, you forgive for.
Our marriage now just a month and 2 weeks. Underline that place. Take a barrel and pen. Underline that vital information. Our marriage is just a month and 2 weeks. Lord, listen. Let's go there.
Forgive with him. How can I forgive a woman that go on live video to say to the extent, say after a lot of rubbish, she don't talk. Other we tell we do boss as because of why Italian be.
She was saying the truth.
They call you J-Bossers. MOU because they know you were talent. These are not the waiting person talk for your body.
J-Bossers, you know?
Use your mouth talk me down. I can never marry you anymore, and I can never ever get anything to do with you again. Some people they feel say that joke. Here is a we're buying to settle over my living body. Will I settle with a lousy woman?
I for don't marry go now you cuss me. I for don't marry kind you cuss me. You don't finish my life you. Go now you cuss me. My first wife you go now you cuss me. My second wife you kind you cuss me. My third wife you go now you cuss me. My fourth wife you go now you cuss me. You don't finish my life, you. Kind you cuss me. Go na you cuss me. My first wife, you go na you drive me. My second wife, you kind you cuss me. Hello? I don't understand. Am I drunk? Did that look drunk to you? What's my brother they talk? I can never marry you again. Hello? I don't understand. Am I dreaming? Are they still together? One no vessel.
A woman that is not being remorseful, that she's still telling me that we still they admit and now say I'm not supposed to beat you. Have you ever come on live video to say you're not supposed to come on live video? Madam, have you ever come on live video to say oh my live video? You and your husband they call. Which other presenters, both on TikTok and Facebook, where you don't ever see say in your husband get issue, they come to quarrel. You have allowed the devil to take the better part of you. Hope you are happy now. The marriage is cancelled, everything is cancelled. Abi, me you not go there, you can't talk come aside. That word the night you were born here. Tomorrow now get up from that say you cannot interfere in other people's relationship. You ever when you carry out when you think I mean you fool. If you break me down, I didn't for bring yourself down. You call yourself a thief when you bring me down. I can never forgive you.
Yeah.
Your mom is good. Your
I can never forgive you.
They don't support you. I don't know that they support you for back home, but they don't support you. They never support you where you know now where say. But I want to tell you something. For those of you that says, now because of work, they never give me documents, and because of this, they never give me documents. Maybe you love work will not say. And their sister, they take the children to school. Not be if I say I want to go look for a job. I know if you use person paper to work. In case you don't know, in my documents, they're not right. They say I am not permitted to work with this Ebe. This woman knows saying I want to talk with that one.
To the most
people say a lie, you can work with it, you can work with it. I don't carry and go my this thing for a year, severally. They say you can't work with it. But the school aspect, if I start to go school, who might help you to carry children they go school? I was just trying to think, make them grow small. If you they go school, you still they strong enough so that you feel they don't. But as a mirror, now when I don't really tell the thing, I want to leave you, we want to separate for a while, but because the children will not be separate finally, because I want to do co-parenting with you. I want to do co-parenting with you. I want to do co-parenting with you because of my children. If I quarrel with you, I know they talk to my children. Not be one tell me as I want to follow my children play. Not be one tell me as I want to follow my children play. You are so evil. You are so wicked. I caused the day I met you. Are so wicked. You deceive people with your fake tears. You are so wicked. I caused it. I regret that day. How I wish I knew. Say you never change. Or rather, you go worst if I don't put money for your head. I for not put myself for that journey.
Oh.
I for not put myself for that journey.
But lie.
Not even one second now. A lot of people they tell me no give allow, forgive now forgive. Did you just say forgive? No, I will be women. Some of them, if you see men, a strong stone will be. Men still pass through a lot for Europe. Men still pass through a lot. Men still do the press for Europe. You know, saying I'm a strong person. Maybe I forgot the press already. I'm sorry to disappoint a lot of people. Mama Miami, a lot of my lovers.
Miami, oh, Miami.
She
wants to go to Miami, Miami City.
In order for them to
America.
run away from me. You don't even want me anybody, even help me. You don't even wait in a great career way. You may move your own. A woman that will be angry, she will not think anywhere where this anger that I'm doing now, what is it going to cost? What is it going to cost?
Okay.
So I'm here not to talk much.
How will you even
To apologize to Lady Precious Maid, Mama and Mama, Asaboro. Why are they apologize to them? Because you know that person will be saying, if you tell her the truth, she will not agree with you. Mama, they hear me. Since I know her over 6 years, she has never for one day admit that she is wrong. So show me the wronger. That kind of person, they run from her.
Then you should do what to do.
Say, I offend you, honey. I am sorry.
Now you should do what to do.
I'm sorry.
Social media. Hey, social media. Social media.
Because Lady Precious Maid, Asaboro, Mama will buy ticket of 2,000. Ah, God. You are going to clear. The time you are going to take clear. Your friends start with the end. When you call for bad, they tell my matter too. They don't be laughing now for fun, for bad too. I will just sag out that phone now when you do boss at all. You do boss for your mind. If you want to fool me,
Nothing like.
or you ended up fooling yourself. A woman that bought almost 2,000 United back ticket says she become our marriage. Precious Maid come help us. Precious Maid gonna give me long money marriage tradition.
Yeah.
Even if you get what you do, you can't you just let go because of okay. For a woman to bring cow, Mama Jackson, I gotta buy the cow for us. She bring that cow, Mama Jackson bring that cow, now you want to see the cow now. You understand me so? So because all those people can't tell you, say, if you know
Yeah.
Mama and Mama get ball. Now when the Precious Maid give get ball. Now when Asaboro get ball. If people they stop the matter for TikTok, you run enter there begin the claim victim. Egba oya, if me and I the Korea, oh why he more? Oh, you know say you get children. Now you dey call police for me always and all the time. So now me start to dey call police for you.
Single man here.
Start to dey call police for you.
And they play this video. Listen. And they play this video for these useless single mothers out there. Go and listen. Stupid single mothers, shameless single mothers, frustrated and humiliated single mothers. New who are. Make them listen now. Now get the talk so. Oh, where you should boost bad draw. Oh, we understand me now. Make them listen again. Yeah.
That's what man cry out in media way. But that for me the police email, in case if they call for them, they are just trying to paint me black. That is it. But the mistake you make, he did be carrying. He man maybe know who said ne, he did be move your home. He man maybe know who said ne, yes, this woman so. And a woman where I feel spend the rest of my life, I don't feel put money for her head.
Okay.
No. So will forgive. So will let go. Okay. If I could let go, all those words which she talk for me, they are she want to remove all of them.
Okay.
Now, why they apologize to Mama and Mama and Lady Precious Maid? Please, Mona, forgive her more. I forgive her because she's the mother of my children, not because she's my wife. She's no longer my wife. She ceased to be my wife.
Okay.
Mona, forgive her. because of my children.
Okay.
Because she will take of those children pass now. The house on our car, now your back of here, very fine, very fine house. Now this kind of color of background, that the house is if you see house. 2 rooms, 9B, 1 room and parlor, then kitchen, bedroom, 450 euro. It mingle with Facebook. That is the truth. It's not because they say, oh, we no say UK now they take Facebook as an occupation, but in general, we are so people your fee say that to go work with the money, come back. I receive money on Facebook. I talk for a living to earn money.
Yeah, within the stock. You see, in Manana, UK now, use the Facebook, I work occupation. What amigo with Facebook, but you can't used to do occupation with Germany. That's what they say. So now today go do TikTok, go tell say they will tell say you know the work. Say I'm working, I'm making money, I'm working here now. I'm registered. Okay, wow. Every bill I register a company or wow. Some stark illiterate women with a clap for her. You know, girl, and no game 1 by 2. Oh, this is what he said. He's now with single mother. Look at him now, humiliating his own wife. Humiliating his own wife, begging that mother to forgive his own wife. He saw his baby man, no longer his wife. He married. Ojino, we are here. You are shower. We are shower. You know, the wife humiliate the mother, humiliate the family, say a lot of things about the family. You know, give mark way for. He's still with her in the house. How useless you single mother are. How shameless and so confused you single mother are. The same person who is praising, who is humiliating the wife now, is still with the wife in the house. But you women, your wife would not do half an inch of enoge. You see the reason why I say single as a cause to most of our women. Many of you women become single mothers today. A man friend, a baby papa that you have kids for, did not do half of what Enogi wife did to Enogi. Enogi still regained that woman as his wife. And shamelessly, he is standing by single mothers. You see how shameless you guys are. Don't you guys think Enogi is deceiving you guys? For his own selfish issues, but the kind of money you are giving to him. Why? You guys are fool. Oswald. No Macron. Eko the book in the Weibo. Enogi don't you stand with the single mother equal mother or go Oguna Bije, on that family, on that of ye, oh, we are shadow, a cut not by our years, or not by years. You don't give me a year of your years near bar. He still stick with the wife. And today, he is standing with a single mother. And you guys are proud. You know, get on that side who has war. You know, get sense. You guys don't like what I'm saying. It's reality, it's the truth, it's the fact, bro. You guys are stupid. Just that. Who are anyone? Who are? When? You know, this catching you guys mug. Ozo. No Marco. Of course. That upload that video. This one go shock you. No business. out. Now there's a mistake somewhere. You see, if the advice that cause the mistake, you know the reason why? If you don't give them the advice, the person born as a single mother, single mother also will get a single mother. They just say that good and gifting you like single mother, hey, single mother. You shameless man, idiot, as you want for a boy, go punish you. When you end up as a single father, I know you. I will punish you. I tell you speak. Can white ambassador, man, when don't bleach lip. See you know the shade. You get 7 color for your skin. Be like rainbow. A single mother. Wait till make the person single. Go and verify. Wait till make the person single. You born, person go born for one person, born for another person, born for another person. Our person go born for 3 different men. The first man not good, second man not good, third man not good, born boy. Even born boy never born. So people are there. So that single mother coco they clap and say, hey, he's doing well, he's fucking us. Hey, now because you say we don't put pikin. I will say, may I not just talk. You will pray, may your pikin marry who don't born 3 for 3 different men. You go pray, may your pikin marry that one. Will you pray for that? I'm advocating for single mothers. I'm advocating for single mothers. I wish your wife now single mother if you put her for us.
Mama, for in chat, they hear you for in chat.
You go put her for us. Why you spit at the single mother spit? You don't go. No man, they pray say you go begin the pikin come out. Now there's a mistake somewhere. I don't know. Cause the mistake. You know the reason why? If you give them the advice, the person born as a single mother, single born also will get a single mother. They just say that good and gifting you like single mother, hey, single mother. You shameless man, idiot, as you want for a boy, go punish you. When you end up as a single mother, I know you. Go punish you. I tell you speak. Can white ambassador, man when don't bleach lip. See, you know the shade. You get 7 color for your skin. Be like rainbow. A single mother. Wait till make the person single. Go and verify. Wait till make the person single. You born, person go born for one person, born for another person, born for another person. Our person go born for 3 different men. The first man not good, second man not good, third man not good, born boy. Even born boy never born. So people are there. So that single mother coco they clap and say, hey, he's doing well, he's fucking us. Hey, now because you say we don't put pikin. I will say, may I not just talk. You will pray, may your pikin marry who don't born 3 for 3 different men. You go pray, may your pikin marry that one.
God,
you pray for that.
Look that.
I'm advocating for
come with that, but what finishing up here?
for single mothers. I wish your wife na single mother if you put her for us.
Mama, for in chat, they hear you for in chat.
Bobo, you don't make it, I swear.
Single mother speech. You don't
Come with that, Bobo, you don't make it, I swear.
Jesus.
Mike, brother Mike, you sit down. You sit down. Check your boss ass. Celebrity, we don't get boss ass. Oh, God. So, we in every nonsense, there's always a sense. I mean, they always give that word. It's just like when they play game, when they tease each other, they tease you with reality, with sincerity, nothing but the truth. This video they go viral since yesterday. And on the truth they tell you, Comedian Bovo and Brother Mike, even media not talk, but with the body language of media, we don't know what's the media mind. The whole world knows a single one a cause. Not all. Some single mothers become single for a reason. But you see the reason of single for abroad, the way they become single for abroad because of child benefits. Of course. Upon one you and your wife fat rich. No, see, I never see single mother with fat rich for your wife. You still stay with that, you not leave her. And you stand with single mother, you are a stupid man or a fool. For you to encourage single mother to get married and be a happy home. You are encouraging her of being a single mother, you are a stupid man. And the touts who so-called call themselves useless, non-necessary, frustrated single mothers in abroad, they are clapping hands for you of standing with them. It's a big cause. Any woman who is supporting the girl standing with you, oh, go here, back with you. What has soon being a single mother is a cause. If you don't know, you don't know. A bono, oh, never do it. I would dig me. I want dead be. I want dead be. And young. Who don't dead be. Who don't dig be. I don't think I want dead be. Go and learn character and stay with the man. No, you are begging, baby papa. If your papa don't got money, go and beg him and come back. You war. You be a boy you were. I stand with single brother, stand with fuck. Very well, how I can say. Your wife is about to single brother. Oh, no, when I may be, I will not stick a woman. You are living with yourself for a purpose, not for love. You know. Who will stick with someone say for a purpose, for the benefits you are looking for, not for the love. You know that, everybody know that. All those so-called women clapping hands for you, pretending they all know that. They all knew that. And if you were born with, when you were happy, you were happy man. They all know that you are pretending with your so-called wife. I'm on where man. I'm not where man. You may hear where do you love your wife? Ewe, I stand for single mother. Single mother forced to be able today they come. Men are scam, men are good. But here like me. I could go war. Some of the day people they beg, they know the answer there. They don't want their papa again because they don't test outside Bola Wagbo. I let's go on why you want be where Nanoni. I don't say this year, I'm now. Until now, single mother must marry. Or now go to look for man go to marry. No, as soon as my mother invite me, I put your price. Yeah, why is really cool, Obuna? Oh, my invite me to do saga. Go and get married. Invite me to about your price. You see that money join. I'm going to spray you. I just give you a husband and say something. Go and get married. How about your life? When you're in every single body go and look for a boyfriend. Nonsense. Tell you say marriage don't help a person. Call the cash down. All you want this house, you use bank the key code. The one the whole heater what they has. To say man, you know who say heater. Man, can you give better dog? Marriage. Who tell you somebody don't help a person? Check your daddy and your mommy, they together with love and happiness. Marriage don't happen. Why you couldn't fuck? Why you couldn't look for mama when you go knock you? Why you not use it too? Right? Why you don't use rubber to display yourself? Who marriage help? Why you don't use rubber? Rubber bola to display yourself? Say marriage don't help us. But I'm gonna look for mama to display you now. But I go call your man. What the way woman help? Nobody, no woman go talk waiting to do bad. Now man, they always wrong, they always wrong for everything. No woman wrong. Your fellow first man not good, second is not good, third is not good, no woman wrong. You see woman go see the clean rights. Yama, Betty. I stand with single mother. You get wife for us. You will marry for us, the stand with single mother, Mumu. Because to see your wife now, why you go so single mother when let me see you start with married woman and I'm a single mother. The wife was asked a question to say, am I a single mother? Actually, married man is still single mother. Are you okay? If your wife gets sense, no something is fishing. Don't go sleep with them. Don't go bug them. And you wear one. Here wear one. Yeah. Beautiful. Now this guy was sing song. It's called Friday Azolo. This Friday Azolo matter. If we out of this topic, I don't see how we will leave until tomorrow. Because we'll leave this Friday until tomorrow because why we'll talk about musician tomorrow. Yes. We'll talk about musician tomorrow. So this Friday Azolo in issue, we'll leave until tomorrow. We'll bring until tomorrow. Yes. I don't say this video they do one black night yesterday they do one. I just use my lucky to do my own. I jam for social media. We need to talk about that tomorrow. You get why? You see these musicians, all of them are scam. They are dangerous criminals. They cannot deceive us. So, now shame say musician within that job when they are brain knock or something. They're going to use their brain to deceive them waiting for abroad. They don't get shame. No, not get shame. Oh, this man. That is the reason why when they want to speak truth, they'll come to Umenwan. It's a platform of honesty, sincerity, tranquility, peace and harmony. Even though money never there, but with time money will come. And here they come now. Hey God. If they want to lie, they know where to go. Yeah, two way. Yeah, can you hear you? They see and here 7. They know where to come. Tomorrow we'll talk about this musician. We'll play the video. We'll listen to the voice of the master. We'll listen to the guy's voice. And we'll speak. We'll know the truth and the lie. A lot to be reviewed by this qualified OKPA musician in Benin. No, not say me. I don't hate anybody. I will stand by the truth. The reason why I don't like me because people tell the truth. And they hit the thing for the head, background, all of that way they skip. They don't get their time, they don't get time, no time for nonsense. A lie. You understand? All this OKPA musician. Yeah, still like me.
We're in the spirit. I'm eating a warm plantain. Go ahead, Papa.
Yeah, that's my children.
Yes, Papa, we are loyal. Papa, why is your eyes red? Did you go to the swimming pool?
I go back with Papa.
Okay.
If I balance on my eye, red like to smoke Bodoko. The day where I go smoke Bodoko, if I don't slap police, I don't send with somebody. If I don't slap carabineri for this country.
We don't let you smoke. We're praying for you.
After I smoke finish, I go meet the governor of this alley. I will wear like 70 slaps.
Lao,
I was doing it.
you are not born like that.
The class say, "What did you out of Igbo?" After I smoke Igbo of 2 kg, he give the president of the country 70 slap. in the Guinness Book of the whole world. The whole world. This one be Guinness Book of Record. The whole world.
Guinness Book of the whole world, you are not.
He
Nothing
was
to you.
jailed with 17 women.
Oh, I only hear Jay. I won't wear it last.
As he was going to prison, 17 women decided to go with him. When he was
After 9
released,
months,
he was released with 38 children.
children. We're big record in there. Wow, I like Guinness. I will book when we're Guinness. Guinness don't care any.
Which was you.
And the tell you, too sweet too.
You see, who are all. Now, for those of our women, when they born in bedside children, they could have stopped home. Now, today now day of grace. Now, single mother are weird today. In bedside mothers, those way they bought special check because of money, they could have stopped them. Now, Europe would day. Because this is where they use anger the Sagauna picking. Because no imbecile children mother will come defend yourself on my platform say you don't know say that imbecile you want born for abroad. Because the country they will know how they be pass. We know how women they born. We know how the people they be before they born. We know what you want born ready. Now man, now woman you didn't know. So it's so shameless and so disgusting. Say mothers, beautiful woman like you call the kind of people they to waste speech for body they come. They come church. Now that you stop to the come church. Any church where they accept, see, all church for you, not to the band beside mothers for church. When they go to serve their God for their house, when they carry dirty, they come to church. No, stop them. Or the grade where they go now, the way in best they go for Europe now, you know they pass because of child benefit. Before I'll call the school Ogun for those mother. Which woman go they bold the hit chest say, my daughter is a medical doctor, is at the bedside. And they ask her, shameless women. Don't they shame because of money? Which mother will use on the hit chest say, my first and second son is a medical doctor, the second son is a barrister, is on the bedside. When I go sleep here, when I go think of my life. Some children with their heady and sand, still they hard to control. Not talk about the throw away speech for body. No. I mean, when I take my time, if to see my papa bomb me and see bedside, I put they motivate me today. I would give the info. I come here and say, good morning, my people. I know we can wait up. I know my family. Another woman. Another woman will be expect around them. Honey, give me tissue. Yeah, take my speech. Give me tissue. And my big Jesse, I love you. Will you marry me? You marry me? Big Jesse, are you there? I want to touch you.
As I mute, so you not like her happy. When you want me to,
I want to touch you. I love you.
Now me they reply for comment section since me. Mene allegedly wife, 7 wife, me we Google video. You didn't know.
What's your name?
I don't know. Me, reply video.
I want to touch you.
Say it fit you.
Yeah, I love you.
I don't love you, God forbid. Well, je me ma bien bedside, me ma bien, we are going to love him bedside the bar. Well,
I love you.
I don't love you, I hate you. As far as you are here.
Madam, we hate you. Where?
Mama. I as far as say you be in bed, I don't love you. Well, God forbid.
12 fois.
I'm a single.
Osalopo
I'm a
miss
single one
call.
that
He might
again.
love you well. I
Big
don't love you.
woman.
As far as say you be in bed.
I love you. I don't know.
I don't
I'm
love
in love.
you.
Where
I'm in
dollar
love
no
with
you
you.
said you wanna.
Oka Faki, Otana, I won't ban on me. Always was an equal in Germany. Most of you are not barely in bed. Now, if you ask me why you ask,
So in besa wa bungo do.
Jesus, Mama.
What?
Mercy ask me this question no, before they come, they
Thanks
saga
now.
themselves.
Me, I love you. I want to.
I not
I
love you.
have
Now,
money.
that for us, Okwo. Ah.
I will
Yeah,
spend money
yeah.
on you.
you come in, marry well.
Are we in a refinery?
Ẹgbẹ́
Me,
wa
I will
pọ̀ mi.
spend money on you.
Ọ̀kan náà Dangote ihu. Mama.
Come on, kiss me.
Ìwà
Kiss
àmọ̀ ni
me,
a
please
bí
kiss
àti
me.
agbọ̀n ìdòmọ̀ye sọ́fà.
Saloba we me down.
Please kiss
Old
me.
age àkàrọ̀, not be young age, old age.
Can you please kiss me?
Àmọ́ wẹ́ ní ẹ ìgò yàkún, ní ẹ yọ̀mọ́ yàkún ìgò, na old age we dey talk. Hey, see Princess Avielele, Happy New Year, my love. Come up. My love, where you go? If you like say Princess Avielele, you go do, you not come. I bet you need to come like Omomebo say you not come.
You don't want to marry me. I want to kiss you.
God forbid.
I don't die.
Iwo ajebe Avielele oya hu o ma come. Onyo say negbe na ken Avielele me imi o. Avielele come up o, you go do, you not come.
Okay. We don't come. We the post record.
O ma come me. Onyo say me imi o.
You can imagine such children. Women go dey take drugs to make their kids become imbecile for belle. Some go even born the pikin reach life finish. They go make sure they turn the pikin to become imbecile just for the child benefit they are receiving every year. You can imagine how some women are so wicked and heartless. Just like the way I sit down now talking comfortably as a man, many women go say they don't like me. See how they talk body. So the way I display just now, to many women like me, we all laughing. The way I perform just now, no matter how I find, see this one I say don't like me. Imagine big Jesse, we do her like coconut head.
God forbid, that's like, I like you.
You do her like I'm a head of photo. You do her like train track.
Now, person, mama, now you the thought so. I beg, I'll fiagbo you. No, if you say maybe.
You can just imagine. I see it, even though it's a Tony bestseller, they don't start with my bestseller lifestyle. See no like me. See no agree.
I don't like you. L-I-K-E. I don't like you. I even push my belly self. Me, I not born picking like that kind of picking. I pay why you come. I don't born a woman be imbe.
I just support the best side.
Amen. Oh, what the dog video? Yeah, what the no, I go move on chapali. If woman be a diagman do I suffer because of child benefit. Well.
Yeah.
So I be calling our like me our be in best.
Now because opportunity ni me Germany no.
Okay.
See, all of them, they saga themselves. Now, so they pay this one 15,000. They say they pay this one 10,000. Now, so it's what they take. Imagine. God for.
See, I been right now. Now wow.
Beside Modern and beside Modern is fighting.
We are in any way, yeah, boy.
Open and close. Big Jesse.
Yeah, the base skyscraper.
Now wow. God forbid batting.
Big Jesse, how far now? How is Budo's now? Somebody is asking you how is Budo's.
Epa, me don't know they talk, so I not fi answer am because they have a
And your ex-boyfriend, the baby should come there too. No, you talk.
nah me.
Pretender.
I like this walking stick.
No, not do that one. Follow me, oh, I beg.
Like me go kiss you. The day I want to pay your bride price.
Mama, if me understand, you go me walking.
What's the guy? He goes by old
Go me. I don't know this person now. Open and close. Well, which one be?
What do you
Now
mean?
who you be? Who?
When who you be? Who?
I just tell your mama.
You go ahead, tire.
The near baby.
I went na me. Who you be? Tell me. Make I know.
I want your guy now.
Who only for me with vehicle? I am Gloria.
No, you don't do that. You know what? Intelligence is very good to be.
Now your guy, which guy?
Now your religious.
Yeah.
You understand? Ija mwani bune.
Queen mother la do happy me come me open and close now when na your guy la wo we are give a comment section. O si mo well adian o ye kori ogo di egbe mele.
Oh. Okay, yeah. So what?
I only fact he divorce me allegedly set same wife.
I know about 7 weeks.
Taking o go ma si mo well adian o open and close. What when na your guy?
Why would I say number 7 when I'm coming number 2? I don't know.
Me feel fair, but you can't no more takpa mama. Away, di me akwe na saga is di me ila wa. Despite we je me ori emi na wa ila we me kwe o me le.
I saga is man. It's not easy.
You think it's easy to marry a king? What is we joking?
I'm married by China by.
Ove so sale tu ne. Me allegedly husband be ariogwa. Pese ne abi ti pe mashi bai. Mama queen.
Oh, what make you now?
Queen mother. Go me ove fama o la wo go. Open and close the window your door.
Brahme, good evening. Jesse Afana.
Ado mama. Happy New Year.
Koyo, send to you, my love. Long time.
You travel.
Where would okay travel? Okay. Okay. How about
you open close the way now your guy? Where the person?
Me mama very well.
Allegedly husband or take Jaine.
What's it talk?
Allegedly, where now your guy, mama? And now who?
If it be your guy for town, you don't mean say na your boyfriend.
La wo, those sorrow your guy.
I'm your guy, I'm your sinner, normal friend, all those hair. Fit be so.
As I said, that fake account, I don't know the person they send that come.
I can't know where you stay. I can't know say you stay, but do I tell no now? You dey stable, don't be fake account.
I dey always talk am o. If anytime I come platform, I dey talk am. No be like
no be fake account. No fake
account. Wa beba wa bi yenogie. Wa koyo. Frank la o. Eyan ka o. Ketiri.
Wow.
We jaye wo ori e dupa.
Agbala.
We sene sala. Paraga.
Na ayo kamio.
Wakago gan. Ugwane mato. Egbe libe.
Jesse. Awe na me Baba of Bodo.
Leo. Wa bota iye wa egbi otemena iwe egbe wa la wo wa. Ebi ya no wu ya fe wa egbi ni zegebe tekere yo. Owe imagine edo wenwe ebi soro aga abege we no yeke no mama Oma no yeti ladia no idoze me no nuoma. Egbo we ne no ma wode no da oye no ye. Eko ma gya we ne gbege. Obege o doni ni mani ma ya kere ni. Okay mata ke logo. Why go weti why la webu na ina we ni zege do gwa because he made that na ye France kede my Barcelona ye. So he a mechanic he. So oteme no. So he wa we ni wa ye opportunity na be ya zege be ya gwa because me mo boy imi ege be na ya. Ewe gba be na. Wa domo ye wa bi ale rone o wa ge. Emi ya ma wala because emi ya no emanibu magogo yo and weta gogo because emi ya no tana is very very truthful and mabege dogbani bi ya fe na we abegu pa ene because wa ni kuona ni wa me no sunu
Epa Eguye me we jake no ma. Oma no travel pass me since December last year 2025. Uwe ni ale une ogwo kwore. Ogwo we ni ale une mo obioa. Allegedly some wife we ni ale une.
Epa mi ave no we de gbi moto no dollar yi because you don't know
body wa talk pe yi la wo la unwe be ni ibe ye na ni wa u try to understand him no be can where at least be ne we no obi me no be ya ibi ya bi ro na ni eyan pa ro wa na ni based on you might understand he point he give you
Jesse, don't make sure your name finish. So you say Jessica. Don't make sure your name finish. The best way you know,
Man, no this
wala no why dia ne do amanu si do amama ya ye wala o wala wo
bi moto no dollar you why area why solid we sitting here the bi moto no dollar you
moto bu iwe truck because a mechanic me wa o be si lokoro di be o tester me junction ba ni e ba na bia me wa second review na bia me wa
Because what the Toyota what the Toyota I bet when you dollar why it's in travel
decide no ye
it even able to America
odori are
why ya so do
that's all the ticket that's all they do dollar motor you
amana le ari so do
iye France side Lyon me wa ye Lyon ye Paris because Barcelona me ye Barcelona ye
Barcelona ke Bodona
dia ke France ma
about 4 hours be 3 hours
4 hours wa no ogbe ne
4 hours ya
me anya pa anya wa la train be nana ge santi mana ne we can no so ya to be dance be mana before you know what is happening wa like boss but so wa le ba be take it no be iri wa ya we we see wala o wa le o teme na wa si aye wa le le kian
me pa merci na kwe lawyer me ari divorce paper o ma no class me since December me no view allegedly ije kevie o ko no ka o keke no be si eme boki o ma si eme
mo viva mo biere mo biye
me allegedly wife no that you wa ije ije kevie ya mu o ma si aye
Jesse
o ma si na la
Jesse I saga where
when I saga
on register so am I
Tony ije kevie kweyo ne
register my saga where
ije kevie kweyo ne o
where saga kevie me ba am I saga where
wa gumeno kweyo allegedly
saga where me ekene ya muyo ekene idije
saga ke to say number 7 for
ekene idije je beka bege ene aka bege ene Indira iti faka begene.
Amana saga ene approve.
Kawa omana doni deme no kion ki eranija.
Omegbe no ya amodo egwe.
Meta na omana doni dame my sister idina muchime.
We mo da gun ko bonu e.
Ije ayi me bobo ni je kevi. Idina muchime yi enoki si ebolwa.
Okay.
Spiritual and physical.
When net you can be when ya go.
Frank, wo ba se wa gbe uyemu for ya mi o, wa send de gele true line mi.
Okay, no problem. Ma so ya.
Wo gbo, wa tun no for mi like. Wo gbo.
Eh, so my birthday ni tell ya. My brother. Hey, we go talk for what's up. Oh, my love for you, dada. Wo baba yi. Okay, I'll say later, sir. Am I continue by? Shocking me.
Okay.
The program is right, Joma. Oh.
Only at your almost sending. So. All of us, we near each other there. We send with from Yekovia. Now play with the role.
We cover my hair.
We cover my hair. At the year we say all of us now one there.
Yeah, true.
If you cover your dog not the shop dog, that would be.
No matter better. Okada.
You go Bazuwa.
New road you.
Oko, Eya, Iguomo, Ogbese.
One of the all Yokovia.
Yes, so. See local.
Yokovia.
Me. Oyumazahi. I don't deny my village. Oyumazahi is local. Yeah, from Maza.
Yeah.
From Maza, this local.
That's good.
Yeah.
Off where we watch.
Where's it? Abi. I want my lerunu everyone so piano ya lode. We are praying for you. We are praying for you. We are praying for you.
As far as Yukovia is concerned, one of the biggest social media producers we have is from Yukovia.
Yes, sir.
You understand? So it's a proud for Yukovia people.
Yes, village. Joseph.
You look like me where Mary Bride, what is the problem? Politician tell me that problem.
Oh, you want no?
He has a give it me so I
who talk that village? Who write this village for where? My village, I belong for your village. I'm a big car.
Village. Oh, tell me, no cost any Euro, no to Europe now. But while I will work out City Okpana because matter or we not a matter, I mean, equal because imagine do ya kutana we equal bubu woman tarao ibege ubege ozane mani budi no mana maoni maya poka lonya nekere mokwana because iyana ekeno mege lo igogbe ubege yana we wa miena oyariya iya wanu wa mu gbe yotofu na na mi ewe to buwe dise lopa gu wo wa ni we awa ya wi yobo ni na mi ewe to buwe igoro pa egwe wo wa ni because iyana iya take me no bu granted igbe. What is granted? It's like opportunity come at once. Our friend. Then, mabu wena no re we bona ma bolo ya ekia be bonana, which is iya he o. Umamigo kere nwe mienania okwama nit okweru gbenwe a 50 euro my no kivi Nigeria to start with me igige Nigeria ni igige Europe ya ikigo le loma but ubege anaga isi mana nane adwa yunu de yuwome ga ise iwe mini awu ne mana ne pari ogwane ozaya ekpo benu ya mu egbe o benu ya ri eba o benu ma ya mu egbe se o benu ya koko mu o de pascal be de me no mo ema na o unu ya ni tota isi anyo na isi anyo ana mi o ma no temata no to ori wa honia so wala wa ga lu enwa because onina mi aka we ni me ya agbegbe mana na o me e bracket opa ni me de no ipion nene mi on hit me lo mana na because na ni anya ware Nigeria na na they are enjoying to start with they no enjoyment o ha me no gbon abe na egbon aba ko e o ni Nigeria ni but umami ma ewe na we ma wina we mi go age ya mi go din ya de 1 euro ke kan no ebe wo na ero but we ga eti mi opportunity ya kokigo ne these people will just be taking everything where we boy mi ro pa ewe eri ya agbon me amebenu ya nyi amebenu ya ri ebe etasi na pebe bona enegere why ni me boy government yibe dere about 2 weeks ago inya mwe parking wana na park ekene ana awe loading me ise ke evani ana kama rule and regulation now why no a document wa na me ina vionia ina we wana na ime interest wo na ke do fame ina we no so ni carry ege ni ane den ni ya ebe ni ya we because no ya make park you because mechanic ni make na musin we na me ko ye nwe yo for illegal way but nobody know what is going on one ya o me do suffer for ne we igon we koko ebi sapa iwari emi opa yunu ne yen wa ade we bo ne igo ya we wa ya mu yu we to te peti ninu we ate ya we mi o ma nu we yi nu we tezi yo nu a yigo ni we ti ya we bo we mi music na pe no temata mi pon yo siko ai wa yo bo digital yo no wa yo bo de makifo yi ai wa re go ya ne odo pe odo wona de oni oyan ri e ba yo me tebo a so wa ga lo enwe these people they know what they are doing when you are play egwa reba kede ade no bi baba ya la ekete no yira me mi sapa no wala na mi ewe opopa na wa ya pe egwa ni na wa pe ba na mi we eni on yara te eya atule mu dia webo because enu wa mo gbe si won pa wege no pe o we ran reba na koligo but e mana na ni o iye be na ina koligo why you know zan ko ya fe ave manima eri siko moda eri ya wekia eri edo ogbedo obi vi edo ye we are mi mana o you no gbegbe ma wa ja lo enwe we are going to use this sense umami emi na about mana ta na mo emi na la na eyan pa e kan ta wo yin anu ti ma wo yin anu so ni e ka we ebo pa ro ni awa ti o edo ni no gbin ya say the truth may truth set you free
una di ko
wa domo
wa to ba of we gbe una di ko egbuko if you don't know body buya fe audio boy we say no to Europe tour 100 kid mission do that in my robo emission na wa we you no so what are you using now wa ginya hu yaju ya hu the venue you go there we don't need such thing you understand last year a month and last many of the elders in the industry stood up to come out to stop this thing. I said, "No, you do it and do a day for. We no one dairy. Vitota. Oka you look country ya dege. Oga no soon last year. Last year ninga tima. Mwana le go ni ya everything we. And down here. But you gbe you gbe you might suffer you. You know my way no my mind. Okay, no problem. If one of you to tie, kiri one to tie na to tie. You never do what do you here. We ni wa ya gun yo here. I play it out to able to hear. I'm like Kukudure. What to do? The never are you book how a dead be. Bobby Marie, Europe to read. Mention a boy a pretty card, the monkey a postcard. Now I see the real original there. You understand? We correct that right away. You know, we're joking. Any musician no post Europe to and have by a drag like that. And I go on media. We go so much disgrace to this year, no go joke, you no go phone, I swear to God. As fast we marry respect him and the and people are not coming to Europe. You see all those useless shop water in Europe, they go see collector, they go feed the heat like 6 months. Last year, we did not deal with soap water. I'm not many shop water name Ladian last year. Only musician are Ladian, but yeah. If you don't know, we did a glass of yard, why I feel maybe Tom Wanyon when I go. This said no to Europe tour. Lawyer dey inside, barrister dey inside, police dey inside. Anything you want to think of for this world, he dey inside this no to Europe tour. Because now be an update the talker. Who are us woman? You understand? Again, I yak banuwa. Oh, when the boy, boss when I so it is what is be order way. Why ya go now? Niya tagiya maho. Because if he set, now let drinker come by the drinker wanyo. Yeah, gear. That's me for you. I go there drink my beer with that wanyo. Once, my come. Okay, you know you. You understand? Earlier the better. You better think twice. I don't see one. Why do you want to musician you go why you declare me? When you don't man, when you go here, you win be again. What go back on the day? Why don't you be again? What bell backbone? If I come over, we don't see a family video calling answering. What update? No, see family video calling answering. I want to hear say here right now. What I did. Now I want to hear say here. Tomorrow is for Eddie no Yedusa. What's on? I'm here expose Eddie no Yedusa. If you boom, then do Yedusa. You have to come out and use your family problem to sing. Because I don't teach story family way. You must use your family issue to sing for the whole world to hear. Qualified upper musician, get ready. We expose you guys. Well, waiting my joke. Maybe you go on. They were quiet. I just on my look here. Message in now. Watch out, yeah. So one. That's office. Yeah, it's total office in it. They can come wild. They don't be good. I'll get a leg. I want to joke. Come many of you guys, the nuisance. I'm not constitution bad. It's so unfortunate with it go affect many. It go affect many. Will not be presenter. Will not insult presenters. It go affect them. But one thing you should know, you will not cause presenter. You will support those people. Also, no go like work this way. Should be this send to your daughter. When the musician don't come where or my comment or can way or my don't. Because why we are supporting all these useless ones. Qualified upper musician hold the meeting together. And that we doing. Yeah. Every yes, my Rovi Monarchy now. In Narovia. In Narovia, what of the new of your son? And what of it here? If your son. You get if you son it's near and bear.
People when not the seafood they eat. Make some matter out of my head.
Okay.
Yeah, you have people. Obvious Wadina, a Beraname Wakili. Obvious Wadina, a Beraname Wakili. Una go see.
Yeah. Na here with this one say update na Oyesano egbe na me okay. Tell me what Asan people do. We say Oyesan. So that means Asan na mad people na for Asan. We use musician, Benin musician. No one you Osagiva bon. Say Benin Asan people na mad Asan musician na mad for the be. Because I don't feel so na Asan people because na Asan musician. Now you talk to. Oyesan working na ask me now what update are Frank Omozwo. Now the saga there. These same people don't say that they will saga Akobena with the saga. These people are fighting for Akobena. Now, make we ask these people this question. Since when they beat them now? Now when you Obiage get su. Now you can robi wana. My video where wala how we even Obiage get su. All Europe, not how all Akobelian fans was somewhat you know the. Why we am kill but no boy. See like they know we are the Europe, but me already are wa. On a fait, on a video ça. On aime les Europe no ya ne ya affect here. Mais the Europe ya sie koto. You understand? Today now, they know we are this. On a les robots, on a les studios. First time when they call Europe now, they know we are this. On a les this. On a les studios ya see one. Do ya know we world updates. And Franco Mozo. Oh, waffle.
Wa talk we beg yana bi no dossier wahala na ubege emi ni me do bege be gbin yana nene en we kana ge de ne oye nene mi na ibi eka ni yakin no de ni swim musician because okpin ani no wa de ni ya wetin ya wa sin wanu da wetin ya vie boyu nu ni ya sin wani na igbo eyan we wan sell ni meme ni akpo ma pa eru yan gbe akpo ma pa eri yan ni ropa egbe because e baba ya river ave de wani ma gwan ye me na ya ro ugwe me ga be mi sha ne de na ya mo be ni bi ka do ya ri e ba yu nu ya ri na because eya wa si wa oye be pa chikobe e pa mo chikobe era me no I love that man so much ota be de obi re o wa e feel your ota la nia o wa yi mu yen bi ku won ya agi sponsor o e silimi no yi mu ma ni temu kere na won ya okay now wa ya fe awa gbina wa pe music wa fi go yepo wa mege ma wa do over music na o meke na mi wetin adu avian na yin awe emi so ami we ogbon so okay baba iwe mi wan we na o we mo ma we mo we are radio man la den o se esili mire ma o I love that guy so much emi so ro no won ya o ni o yi no gwe veni be ya like ebe ya like this otimana this our boy na egogo uma pamu ye vani they are quite different than these stupid people na we wa mi na won ya because aigwagwa all loriba aigwagwa wa no wa so music no de mu da wo pa bon o nu pe 100 abon Umenwan after me hoy. I wan ya fe agbon ya ma we mi wan ya fe. Ome na we mo ebon.
Abo.
Won ya. So beni ye ni na wa yu nu zama ni wa ukodo ma do yin me de ro gepa. Beni ho no wan. O ma do yin me de ro ni.
Abo.
Ha? O we wo mo no we pa ukodo. Pa ni ge obo kan. But o vi bi ka gaga. Ya koko wala wo emeke na yegbere o ma be pani e ga dia we bona do wan hey do worry pani do wan yan saga pani according to even attitude e ga ni be no ya gwan me ma wonu o temi no wan de mi sha be no la gan kedere ade hero so eyana Ugmede ome hunya ni adomu yewe bona. Ni agwalo. Uwonya. Hunya ni okpama yega na hunya na. Na me we ta egbo ni agwalo we bona okpama dro lega na me we aido egbe yen mo oru we ga for maybe 10-20 years. Enike awin egma no. Emi agwalo ni ya o we bo na ware no. Yeah, man. Okay.
We are waiting for them. Now we're here. The strategy last year was different. Okay, now is another different ball game. We not get what you want to lose. We will spend money put. We'll spend money put. We'll put no problem. For this to you talk. My colleague, my boy, do ya wadi. What pretty card? Turn up. Why you turn up? Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. No, you're going to be useless here. I did over this. Oh, you're going to get you have seen one that young. This so-called stupid, gullible, useless Benin musician. They heard this song. They kept mute. No pretty card the Jewibu or ya call it presenter. Epa Eddie, Epa Eddie, Epa Eddie. Wow, was man. Who tap by you? Wadi. Em visa Wadi. Wadi post a picture. Post a one show. Madame Kawa. I will useless, so-called useless non-entity. I will check shop montagne over. Here, what mission at the Madame. No, not pack this shackle. Wag go, wag. Ah, you was in one done. They want to promoting one. Promoting one. Mama, no, we are bad. We know not bad. We don't know let we were. You did bad. Maximilian. When the Maximilian was show. The Europe no will be shady. Maximilian record. We will show now. We are getting a Franco Monzo. We more update. The year level with Europe. We have a passport. We will show.
Can I get it?
What will show? Madam Nakamwa. I agree.
I agree with you.
I know with me. Wagiaga.
Why both out?
Are you going to talk better off a bill?
Yeah, what do they have?